Hi everyone. I hope you've been having happy holidays. It's me, Claire. I'm here again with another little video. I thought I would finally make the video of rain since I'm feeling a little bit better. So I'm here with rain. This is the last rain that I have available, and the edition is finished. She's just the last one left here, and she's not very happy about that because all of the rain is gone except for her. So she's here, and she's hoping she'll find a new mommy. Eventually she will. All the babies usually find their mommies eventually. She has hat hair right now, but she has dark brown hair, and she has dark brown eyes. I don't know if you can see her so clearly. But she does have really dark brown eyes. And her hair, she has like two different hair colors, but they're just, close. The edges are a little lighter than the hair. And she's here. So I thought I would do a video before I put her in her box, where she will wait for her new mommy to get her. So just showing you her cute little feet, her hands, and I'm going to go ahead and pack her up and put her in her box where she'll stay. She you see how she put her head when I say I'm gonna put her in a box? Maybe she doesn't want to go in the box yet. Maybe I'll just let her stay out of the box for a few more days until her mommy comes to get her. Whoever she is, she's gonna come for you. Don't be so sad. Okay, so anyway, like I said, this is the last baby rain, and I'm going to go ahead and put her just put up this video. I did a short, but I don't know how many people saw that video. I never looked back. So I just thought I'd do a video, and I'm going to go ahead and put all the pictures of all the other rains at the end of the video so you can see all of them. I did 30 of them in all, 15 awake, 15 asleep, and there are no two that are exactly alike. I don't know if I'll ever do a video not a video, an edition like this again. Probably never, where I do so many dolls, because it took me a long time to do them, and I don't think I'll enjoy that. I'll focus on the smaller editions from now on. I'm almost finished with my my new full body hopefully, if I continue to feel better, I'll be able to finish it early in January. The first one will be available. I'm getting all the accessories together. So, and Ali finished up her doll. I have that video to do too, to introduce that doll. I'm still waiting on a few more of the accessories before I can put that one as available. So I guess that's all I have to say. And we have this baby. It's a cloth body doll. She's available. And I'll be doing another video with the other doll that we have here. I haven't been able to do the video because I just didn't have enough energy. Seems like I tend to get sick at this time of the year. So I'm going to go now, and I will just put the pictures of all the rains at the end of this video, since this is the last rain video. So bye-bye. Oh, see you in the next video. So now that you've seen the last available rain, these are just some pictures I put on the end of all the other dolls in the edition. So you'll see all the pictures, including this one. So there are 30 of them. If you're interested in number 14, I have left a link in the description, so you can go get her in my web store. And she's available in my store. I also have a web page with all the rain pictures in there. I'll leave a link also to the web page with all of the rain, so you can see the pictures there also. And the links, some of them have a link to web pages with more pictures, but not all of them. So I thank you for visiting with me, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for spending this time with me. Bye-bye.